sequence as per company, and I think everybody is familiar because we have done 2 constructability and 2 SIMOPs on the basis of this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to use entire checklist of the constructability. We will run through all the guide words so that we can address any point, if any. We'll go one by one and we'll see it. Okay, so related to constructability, see, in the constructability review, we are going to see any concern related to construction, what we can see in advance. We are in the feed phase. We will try to identify if we need something to put in the design so that the EPC contractor can take it up in the beginning and the constructability concern can be removed. And we as a team are going to see how we can improve the construction HSE, how we can improve the productivity of the construction people, how we can minimize the shutdown schedule, how we can minimize the cost of construction, and of course how we can manage the KPIs of all HSEs and construction activity. So this is the objective. This is what I have just explained. So improve the construction safety, reduce the production schedule, reduce the construction delay, and of course we improve the logistics. Although the logistics is not much involved here, and if there is any interfaces and conflicts from other parties, we'll take it. And any uncertainties during construction we'll discuss, and we will discuss about the adjacent facility. This is the brownfield, and of course we will have the SIMOPs to understand any SIMOPs activity and potential classes of activity. And of course we will ensure that project is done under the approved budget, and coordination and miscommunication we will try to avoid. So this is the constructability worksheet proposed. And there is no 3D model because the scope is very small. But of course, we will go for the detailed description as per the checklist, what we have. Now let me open the sheet. So what we have done, just to save the time of the people, we have pre-populated the sheet. So if you see here, we have sequence. We have got security, we have got existing infrastructure